Whoa, wrong frame rate here. Wrong frame rate. That's crazy. Be right back. There we go. There we go. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video. In today's video, we're gonna be taking a look at sneaker grails on eBay. If you guys have never seen this video before or this series before, basically what I do is I go on eBay, I look for stupid expensive sneakers and see what gems we can find. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. But as I load up eBay, I'm gonna use this as an opportunity to check in with you guys, see how everybody is doing and just see what's good with y'all. So today is, let's see, today is March 14th, 2021. So apparently this weekend, we're supposed to be getting our stimmy neutrons. And if you don't know what the stimmy neutron is, it's essentially the stimulus check. The stimulus check is 1,400 doll hairs. So what I did was I went on Instagram and I was like, hey bruh, what are you using your $1,400 on? Be honest. And the Instagram comments were crazy. So I want to see what y'all are spending it on YouTube to see if it's any different. Let's get this video started. So it's been a minute, like I said, since I've done this, so let's just get into the Air Jordans and we're gonna see what we can find. I'm gonna try to stay away from the shoes that I've already showed because that's obvious, but let's jump right into this. Oh, whoa, $120,000. Okay, let's see what's good with this pair right here. Nike Air Jordan Original Chicago 1985s, dead stock from Gimbals. I don't even know what Gimbals is. Do y'all know what Gimbals is? Because I don't know what Gimbals is. Apparently, this Gimbals. Oh, let's peep the. Is that $32? Yo, I'm mad confused right now, bro. Don't tell me that was the price back then. That's, bro. Self-explanatory. Let's just keep looking at these pictures here. Oh, with the tag still attached. I haven't seen that in a minute. Like, that's like museum quality almost. And you can see like the tag even, I think it kind of nicked the leather up a little bit. That's crazy. Let's keep looking. Damn, these shoes right here are fire. I feel like these shoes, they belong in a special place of sneakers, a museum or something for people to enjoy, because this is a part of history right here. 1985 Chicago ones, and you're paying what, $120,000? Will they sell for that? No, I don't think so. But hey, if you have a gem like this, maybe. I don't know, man. It would have to go to like somebody with crazy money or a celebrity or something, but that's a really nice find. I'm glad that we found that one together. Let's see what else we can find here. Let's see. What does eBay have? By the way, this video is not sponsored by eBay at all. I just enjoy looking at sneakers that are super expensive on here. I constantly do it. Like before I go to sleep, I'm like, hey, let's go ahead and check eBay to see what's good. So that's how I came up with this video idea and segment for you guys. So let's see what else we could find on this wonderful platform. These are solid right here. These are solid. 1985 Air Jordan Bred ones. Oh, with the tag attached too? This is a beautiful sneaker. I would have to go with the Bred Air Jordan ones over the Chicagos. Y'all let me know. Do you prefer the Bred/bands or the Chicagos? I'm going with these right here. And it looks like it comes with a little accessory as well if y'all want to accessorize. Oh, I like that. I did not know it came with this. That's what it looks like on the inside. I like that. That's a nice touch. OG, but that price, $54. Hold up. We got to do an inflation calculator on this thing. We're getting a little off topic here, but in 1985, if I purchased an item for, what was it? $54, but it was on sale. It was on sale, $44. If we purchased an item for $44.99 in 2021, how much would it cost realistically if we accounted for inflation? I'm guessing it's like 150 bucks. $109? Bro, that is insane. But you guys caught for the low price of $29,000 now, so you want them, you can hit them up. And I'll also do my best to link every single shoe that I show in the description down below if you guys want to check it out yourselves and see the pictures a little bit better, because I'm going to try to blow through these things a little bit. If you guys want to take a look at the listings, feel free to do so. Okay. You know what I've always wanted is a signed pair of Air Jordan 1s. So let's see. Signed Air Jordan by Michael Jordan. This is legendary right here. Upper Deck COA, Certificate of Authentication. This is a brand new pair of 1985 Chicago Air Jordan 1s, and they're signed by the GOAT himself. Does it get any better than that? I like the case that they have for it. That's proper. You have to do it proper. And the fact that it comes with Certificate of Authentication. So that's super cool. Comes with that. And how much do they want again for this? How much are we trying to spend? God. Oh, but if we want to go for the low budget, we could get the 13s. The signature isn't as clean though, because he's signed on the suede, so it's gonna bleed a little bit. Looks a little blurry. It's cool, but it doesn't hit like the Jordan 1s. But it's only $15,000 compared to $450,000. Pretty cool gems so far. So let's get into the Nike SBs. We've been dibbling and dabbling into the Jordan territory, but let's get into the Nike SBs and see what they have. Surprisingly, nothing's really catching my eye in the Nike SB section, so we're just gonna keep it rolling. Let's do cards next. A lot of people have been into cards. I don't really do the card thing because I don't know what's going on, and it's a lot of money to be thrown at it. But if you guys are interested in cards, let's go ahead and check out some cards. So what do I even put in? Like Panini? And then you gotta put PSA 10. And let's see. Okay. So far, the most expensive card that they have on eBay right now is a $500,000 2019 Panini Obsidian Zion Williamson color patch. You're telling me this card right here, this card right here, 500,000, huh? That's crazy, bro. Do people actually pay for this? Do people actually buy this? That should be the question. We're gonna filter this by the sold items, and we're gonna see how much people are actually dropping on these cards. Aha, see? They're selling for like 500 bucks here. But I think we gotta do the highest. Do y'all see this? $70,000, and this is an auction. Another Panini right here, $68,000 Luka, $44,000, $42,000. These people are not playing. Now I want to do the Air Jordans. I think that's how we find the real gems, right? That's where we find the gems that actually sold. So we got some What the Dornbeckers here. Ooh. Wow, $52,000. And this was 7 days ago. So does I'm assuming this goes straight to the hospital, right? OHSU Foundation, only 14 star rating. Hopefully it goes to the Dornbecker Hospital, because that will help the children out a lot. And you know, doing this is a good move. This is, I support this. I like this. What else do people buy here? We got some PlayStation Air Force Ones. $14,500. Let's take a look at this. See original listing here. Let's take a look. Let's see what we got. Okay. Little PlayStation logo. The leather looks a little crinkled up on there. Some patent leather. Oh, I like this. I like it when you can see the date and who it's supposed to be for and all that. So Mr. Roger Stevens, attention, you have some explaining to do, Mr. Roger Stevens of Feng Tay Enterprises, 2/23/2009. And then at the bottom it says promo. So very interesting looking shoe. Now, would I pay that much? Hell no. But somebody felt comfortable doing so. So that's why we're here. We're here to look at the gems. PlayStation Air Force Ones, my cup of tea? Nah. Somebody else's cup of tea? Seems like it. I'm gonna generalize it a little bit more. Let's just do Nike, like the most expensive Nike that's sold. Bro, am I lost or something, man? Somebody tell me I'm lost. Am I missing something? So these shoes right here, some Nike Shox, look like some shoes that I would wear back in like kindergarten. You know, I would probably beg my mom for these, because I would feel like they would give me some jumping abilities. But somebody felt comfortable paying $150,000 for these. I'm impressed. Imagine making that sale. Let's learn a little bit more about this though. Let's see. So these are the original Nike Shox, which were slated to release in late 2000, but were recalled and never available to the general public. Back in the day, I knew a lot of people, and a manager at Foot Locker sold me these early. Unfortunately, Nike recalled these shoes before their official release date. The shoes were then sent back to Nike and destroyed, but not this one. You sneaky guy. These shoes have been worn probably about 10 times, maybe less, about 20 years ago, and they've been stored in their original box since. Impossible to find, especially since they were recalled by Nike and destroyed. The story went that the adhesive was supposedly failing in the soles, which is why the entire release was recalled. But again, I wore these about 10 times back in the day and never had a problem. Please check the detailed pictures for the condition. Shoes are overall in excellent condition, but they do have small creases and natural wear and may have some other blemishes. Soles appear to be fully intact, including the small nubs on the bottom of the shoes. These are truly a piece of Nike history, something that almost no one ever had, and very few even know about it. That's crazy though. Something like this, imagine the come up, son. You bought this from your manager a week early, held on to him for like 20 years, and boom, 150 racks straight to your bank account. That's winning right there. That is something, man. I love the story in these little listings. Anyways, y'all, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you guys did, don't forget to hit the like button. I try to not do these very often because, of course, as you guys can imagine, I will be showing a bunch of the same items again and again and again if I decide to do it super frequent. So this is one of those few times where I was like, you know what, let me just update the series a little bit. It's been almost half a year, so we're back at it. So hopefully we could get it at least maybe once a month, once every 2 months maybe. But you guys let me know what you think about this in the comment section down below. And once again, don't forget to let me know what you guys are spending your stimulus check on down in the comment section below. I'm gonna be reading all of the comments, so I'm excited to see all of it. I'll catch y'all very soon for the next video. It's your boy SneakerHeadInTheBay. I'm out. Deuces.